Philadelphia. We in Zombieland, better known as Kensington. So I'm gonna walk around, show y'all a couple of views. I live in LA. Let's see if it compares to LA. Alright, so we're gonna go down Kensington Ave now. I'm on a side street. You know, I've walked around Skid Row many a times. Kensington is terrible, but they ain't got nothing on Skid Row. My God, this is crazy out here. I mean, every side street, blocks and blocks and blocks. It's just everywhere out here. It's like, I don't know if you ever seen Resident Evil. It's like Raccoon City out here. Bunch of zombies. This is just terrible out here. Listen, as bad as Kensington is, and it's bad out here, you gotta remember, everybody out here is loved by somebody. This is somebody's brother, cousin, uncle. So, you know, I'm trying to get good footage, but I'm also mindful of trying to be respectful at the same time. But we're gonna hit a couple more blocks. There's a couple of these side streets that look like pure chaos. So we're gonna go down a couple of these side streets. Let's go.
You walk on the inside, so you can